IR0280H thermal camera instructions. Safety and considerations. Please read the instructions carefully. Do not use device in explosive, flammable or corrosive environment. Do not mismantle the product, doing so can damage it and revoke the warranty. Since the product is a precision electronic and sensitive optical device, do not drop it or allow impacts to occur to prevent damage. Please use a damp cloth or gentle soap to clean the enclosure of the device. Do not use abradant, isopropanol or solvent to clean. Special optical lens cleaner should be used to clean the screen. It is suggested to use the attached USB cable.